Open up, UOPN.
Ingredients needed: potato, yeast, sugar, a bottle. I was going to use the banana skin, but I omitted it because I wanted to keep this as original and as plain as possible. You can also add raisins. As I said, I want to keep this recipe original. So I want to be accurate with my measurements, so therefore I am weighing out my sugar, and I use 1 tablespoon of yeast with the 2 pounds of sugar. Alright, so as we go along, I would give more instructions, and all of the measurements and ingredients again will also be in the description. So as you can see, 2 pounds. So I am boiling my potato. Make sure it is soft, like you want to make mashed potato, that kind of soft, right? So I'm just checking it to see how soft it is. It still wasn't to my satisfaction. I mean, I wouldn't use it at this stage to make mashed potatoes, no. So once all my other ingredients is put together, I am going to strain the liquid from the potato once it's cooked to my satisfaction. Put it in the container with the sugar and the yeast. You don't want it to be hot because you don't want to kill the yeast too much, but it don't have to be actually cold, because to me in this process it works just it was warm, it wasn't hot. So I was gonna leave it in this container, but I decided I have these 2 wine jugs there. I'm going to just put them in there. You know, it will be better off it. I sterilized this one, so I'm just going to now add this. I have a funnel on there, so let's add this, and you want to stir this once a week. I'm going to leave this for a month and see what we get after a month, but I would taste it within 14 days. I would want to taste it and see how it is going. Alright, so let's put it in. Alright, I'm gonna cover it, and I'm gonna put it in the cupboard, and in 14 days time I would have an update on how it's going. So I'm gonna cover it and put it away in a nice dark spot. So it's 1 week and 1 day. So now let's stir it up and we'll put it back. I really want to cure this for about a month, but let's see how it goes today. Come on. Let's hear what it sounds like. Ready for this? Are you ready for this? Wish you guys could smell it. You all heard that? All that gas. So now I'm gonna give it a little mix, and then we're gonna. Gosh, I'm tempted to taste it. So you know what? Hey, let's taste it. Let's give it a bit of the taste. That's a small taste. Woo. Hey girl, yeah, be up in here, up in here, up in here. Ooh, sweet. Ellie, I think you will like this wine. Elle, tell mommy try this wine. I think you will like this wine. But anyway. Woo! And it's only a week and 1 day. Wow. Alright. See you guys a week from today. gorgeous. All wine, guys, finished. Let's open it and see what we get. So, all right, you ready? Let's go. Smells divine. So let's pause a little. All that lovely fruit. It's not a dry wine. You could make this dry. Listen to all that. Listen to that. See that? See that? And that's how easy I made my potato wine. Thanks for watching. And look out for my mango wine recipe. And with that wine, we didn't add any yeast. All right?